Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Taiwan. Let's check this out. Oh, wow. So this package comes from Taiwan, and it's from a company called Mom's Dry Noodle. They've got a range now called Surfmama, which is brand new, and they've been on the top 10 list many times in not only the Taiwanese top 10, but the global top 10. And usually there are multi-pack varieties, not a lot of singles, a couple, but not a lot. But now they're kind of trying all sorts of different things. And today we've got this right here, and this is a Laksa variety. I've been told that it has fish ball in it. Boy, I mean, they got my number on this. Let's see what's in here. I'm really curious. It's got a plastic lid. Oh, no, it's not plastic. It just feels kind of plastic. The lid is quite strong. Oh, I don't know. Is it plastic? Yeah, that's a plastic lid. So it's got a noodle block. I believe this is some kind of vermicelli, a powder sachet, a liquid base, and look at that. There are fish balls in here, folks. This is a new thing to me. They feel bouncy. Yeah. Wow, what a trip. And this is definitely something, I'm sure you're looking right now at an image of the product as prepared. The actual post and review of this will come out sometime soon. And yeah, this looks really interesting. Well, cool. Big thanks to the folks over at Mom's Dry Noodle Surfmama for sending this over. I'm really looking forward to giving this a go, and you'll see that soon. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.